I feel great about my hair. I love it. I feel beautiful. It's like I got me a whole look. I got me a ball, girl. Yeah, I started hair club at 13 and it changed my life a lot, you know, because my alopecia started at 7 years old. Alopecia is a case of hair loss. It's an autoimmune disease that attacks your hair follicles. There's different types of alopecia. There's alopecia totalis, and then there's alopecia areata, which causes spotty hair loss, and that's the one that I have. And I wasn't confident at all. And my parents were like, well, what are we gonna do, you know? And they found hair club. They found hair club before I got to go to middle school. And so like, I was very excited. Like I was nervous, a little shy at first, but I was really excited about it, you know? And when I got my, you know, that feeling that I got when I first got my hair was just like, it was amazing. Like I felt like, I could finally breathe. I felt like, you know, like, wow, you know, I'm beautiful. And, you know, like, it was just like, it was very liberating for me. It was very liberating, and I felt like it gave me the confidence I needed to go to school and feel normal, you know, like, so that was really like amazing. When they put that hair on my head, I was like, they were like, take a picture. And I was like all shy, but I was like, when I went home, I was like, I was flipping my hair, I was curling my hair, I was doing all kinds of stuff. I was just so excited. I was like, yeah, I got hair. I showered with my hair. I went swimming with my hair. I felt more secure, definitely going out. When the wind would blow, I felt more secure. Going swimming, I felt great. Like my hair was on, it stayed on. So it was like, okay, I can do everything with this hair. Like, it's like my hair. So I felt amazing. Like it changed a lot. It changed a lot. I didn't have worries like about my hair anymore. Yeah, I didn't have those worries anymore. I felt great. I was like, I have hair. I mean, I feel like it can be the best day of your life. It can be the start of a new life for you. So hair club is here for you, you know, because hair club was here, you know, hair club was here for me. So they're here, you know. If you want hair, you need hair. The stylists, they're great. Hair club is great. You know, the hair is great. So it's here. Hair club is here. It's an option for you. It's out there. And so our tagline with love your hair and live your life, I can definitely do that with X-Trans Plus.